Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the float function in Python. And basically what the float function does is it converts other data types to a floating point number. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. You saw this, if you watched the previous tutorial, a little bit in action. So if we call float with no arguments passed, we're going to get 0.0, just like the int built-in function. Now if we do float string of 4, we're going to get 4.0. If we do float string 3.2, we are going to, there we go, 3.2. Alright, so now it's a floating point number. Let's see, how about on integers? Float 2, like that, we get 2.0. Float -3, now we got -3.0. So basically that is the floating point number. So we'll convert strings and integers to floating point numbers. If you have any questions, please let us know at mastercode.online. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about the absolute function. Absolute number function, I should say. Have a good day.